Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford E-350, 2009 to 2015? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford E-350, 2009 to 2012, houses fuses that protect essential interior electrical components. It includes circuits for features such as power windows, radio, interior lights, and climate control. Each fuse is clearly labeled for easy identification and maintenance. The box supports standard blade-type fuses for straightforward replacement. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford E-350, 2013 to 2015, manages circuits for key interior systems like the audio unit, power door locks, interior lighting, and electronic control modules. It uses standard mini blade fuses and includes a fuse puller for convenience. Fuse positions and functions are labeled for quick troubleshooting and service. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford E-350, 2009 and 2010, safeguards high-current systems such as the fuel pump, ABS, cooling fans, and ignition components. It uses a mix of cartridge and mini fuses for various load requirements. Relays for major systems are also integrated within the box. Clear labeling aids in quick diagnostics and repairs. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford E-350, 2011 and 2012, supports vital systems like the PCM, starter motor, headlights, and fuel system. It combines high-current fuses, mini fuses, and relays to manage various electrical loads efficiently. Each component is labeled for ease of service and identification. The layout is designed to streamline diagnostics and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford E-350 2013 to 2015 controls high-power systems such as the powertrain, lighting, ABS, and electric fans. It contains a combination of high-current fuses, mini-fuses, and integrated relays. The layout is optimized for quick diagnostics with clearly marked circuits. Durable construction ensures reliable protection in demanding engine bay conditions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.